Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Let's take a look at GBPUSD for the day. Now, before we actually get started, right, I'm the only channel that predicted this bullish move on GBPUSD. I actually did a weekly analysis on our GBPUSD, right? You can go back to check it. I was really channel that predicted that our GBP to USD will give us a bullish move. Other channels were predicting a drop on GBP to USD. You can go back to, you can check it. You see that a lot of people were predicting that DXY will give us that bullish move, right? I was the only one that predicted that DXY, which is our USD index, will give us a bearish move. Then any other pair to our USD index will give us a bullish move. And this is exactly what we've gotten on GBPUSD. We've actually had a bullish move, right? Take a look at this movement that was made here. This was the movement that was made on top Monday, which was bullish, right? On Tuesday, we had a bullish move. Wednesday, we had a bullish move. Why on Thursday, kind of like a pullback. And now, what again? On Friday, we actually had a bullish move. So, and also in that our weekly analysis, right? We predicted that this our GBPUSD will actually break this ice. And guess what? What we just had? We've actually broken the ice. So that is why I want you to actually subscribe. If you've not subscribed to this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, and also make your comment. I would love to watch out for it. Now let's see where this price will be moving for the next day. Like we once predicted on our GBPUSD, right? We said this, we take this as an higher highs, we will take this as an higher lows, right? We take this again as a new higher highs, we will take this as a higher lows, right? We also predicted that our GBPUSD must give us a bullish move this week to be able to break out this previous higher highs, and guess what? We've actually gotten it. So what I want you guys to watch out for is that a little bit of bullish move will be made again before we have a correction. That is what I strongly believe on GBPUSD, right? So I mean, the reason is that we see that price do react at a certain level. If price has reacted to a level previously, right, and price gets to that same level again, price will definitely react at that same level. Now take a look at this level here, right, guys. You can see that price has once reacted here, right? Once that price dropped to this level, we had a pullback here. Price dropped here, right? And we had a pullback at this level on GBPUSD, and price now drop, right? Also notice that price also give us a pullback again to test this same level, right? Right? The price dropped again. Now take a look at this GBPUSD, right? Price is now at this same level. Of course, price must give us a reaction. That is why I say watch out. There's strong possibility that price will actually react here. And if price does not react here, then we should see a little bit of a bullish move that will be made. Then we would see the price react at this level here. So there are two places we would see price react. Is either at this level we are currently at, which is about 1.17145, and before we see that reaction, which will give us like a red candlestick or like a bearish move downward. But if price manages to break above it and go up, then I can strongly assure you, and I can tell you for sure, that price will give us a pullback at 1.19150, so which is 1.19150. So watch out for a pullback anytime soon. So once a pullback has occurred, then I will advise you to now enter to go long, because we will continue to go bullish on our GBPUSD. Do you want to go long now? Is it the right time to actually go long? Well, I would not advise you to do such a thing. Wait for a pullback. If we add the pullback on Friday, which is red, right, then I can now tell you that you can now go long on Monday once the price opens the next time, right? Then you can now go long on Monday. But if eventually we have a bullish move on that Friday, then possibly by Monday we would have a pullback, which will be green, which will be red. Then after the red candlestick that has given us a pullback, then you can enter to go long on GBPUSD. So GBPUSD, we are still on a bullish move. It is just when the pullback will occur, that is when you should enter to take this trade. So now let's see what this 4-hour time frame says, because we would want to place our trade. Notice that I've included this moving average here, right? This is the moving average. We all know the rules of trading this moving average. Since if our price is below the moving average, then we are on a bearish move, right? We have to sell. But if it is above it, we have to go long. So clearly we can see that this price is above our moving average. So this is a buy opportunity. This is time for us to actually go long. Now let's take a look at this 4-hour time frame. By the way, what does this 4-hour time frame says? So I think the movement started here. We can see this right here, higher highs, higher lows. So now let's take a look at this movement here. If you can see anything meaningful here, you can see this highs, you can see this pullback here. A new highs was made that broke this previous highs. Then we saw this drop. This is at least where the market opened on Monday, because I saw this price, price kind of give us this grain around this level. Price opened here on Monday, then price came back to that level, tested it, right, and now it has gone bullish. Let's see if a pullback will occur to take out this lows here, this pullback level here. Maybe once we have kind of have a pullback to a level of 1.15825, then I would advise you to actually go long. Above all, GBP USD, we are still on a bullish move. It is clearly a bullish move. We have to go long, but the best time to actually enter to go long is after a pullback has occurred. Then you can now go long. You would be safe, because once you go long, right, and a pullback occurs, you will be taken out, except you have a wide stop loss. Then maybe you'll be accepted from the movement. If not, your stop loss might get hit before we continue our bullish move. So watch out, GBP USD. We are still on a bullish move.